Welcome to Talk Easy English. Today, you will learn how to order coffee in English, like a local, in the US or UK. In this 10-minute lesson, you will listen to a real cafe conversation, learn useful phrases step by step, and practice speaking out loud with me. This video is perfect for A1 and A2 English learners. We use clear, simple English. We speak slowly. You can shadow every sentence. Before we start, think about this question. What is your favorite drink? Coffee, tea, hot chocolate, or something else? Keep your favorite drink in your mind, because at the end of this lesson, you will order your favorite drink in English. Here is how to use this video. First, just listen to the conversation. Then, listen and repeat the key phrases. After that, practice with me in a role play. Are you ready? Let's go to the cafe now. Now, listen to a short conversation between a customer and a barista. Just listen. Do not repeat yet.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, I am good, thanks. What can I get for you today?
Can I get a small latte, please?
Sure. Would you like it hot or iced?
Hot, please.
Great. Would you like anything to eat?
Yes, a blueberry muffin, please.
Okay. A small hot latte and a blueberry muffin. For here or to go?
To go, please.
Got it. That will be $5.
Here you go.
Thank you. Your order will be ready in a minute.
Thanks.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Great job listening. Now, let's learn the key phrases from this cafe conversation. Repeat after me. First phrase. What can I get for you today? Repeat. What can I get for you today? This means, what do you want to order? Next phrase. Can I get a small latte, please? Repeat. Can I get a small latte, please? You can change small latte to any drink you like. For example, can I get a large coffee, please? Can I get a green tea, please? Next phrase. Would you like it hot or iced? Repeat. Would you like it hot or iced? Hot means a hot drink. Iced means a cold drink with ice. Next phrase. Would you like anything to eat? Repeat. Would you like anything to eat? You can answer, yes, a blueberry muffin, please. Or, no, thank you. Next phrase. For here or to go. Repeat. For here or to go. For here means you eat or drink in the cafe. To go means you take it with you. Next phrase. That will be $5. Repeat. That will be $5. This is the price. Next phrase. Have a nice day. Repeat. Have a nice day. You can answer, you too. Very good. Now let's do shadowing. Listen and repeat each sentence with me. I will say each sentence 2 times. The first time, just listen. The second time, speak with me. Ready? Sentence 1. What can I get for you today? Now with me. What can I get for you today? Sentence 2. Can I get a small latte, please? Now with me. Can I get a small latte, please? Sentence 3. Would you like it hot or iced? Now with me. Would you like it hot or iced? Sentence 4. Hot, please. Now with me. Hot, please. Sentence 5. Would you like anything to eat? Now with me. Would you like anything to eat? Sentence 6. Yes, a blueberry muffin, please. Now with me. Yes, a blueberry muffin, please. Sentence 7. For here or to go? Now with me. For here or to go? Sentence 8. To go, please. Now with me. To go, please. Sentence 9. That will be $5. Now with me. That will be $5. Sentence 10. Have a nice day. Now with me. Have a nice day. Sentence 11. You too. Now with me. You too. Great work. Now, let's do a role play.
Now you will practice speaking. You are the customer. I am the barista. I will ask you questions. You answer as the customer. I will leave a short silence so you can speak. Are you ready? Let's start slowly. Hi, what can I get for you today? Would you like it hot or iced? Great. Would you like anything to eat? Okay. For here or to go? Got it. That will be $5. Thank you. Have a nice day. Nice job. Now let's do it again. A little faster. This time, try to answer quickly. Hi, what can I get for you today? Would you like it hot or iced? Would you like anything to eat? For here or to go? That will be $5. Thank you. Have a nice day. Well done. You can now order coffee in English. You did a great job today. Now you can order coffee in English with simple, natural phrases. Today you learned how to say, "What can I get for you today?" "Can I get a small latte, please?" "Would you like it hot or iced?" "For here or to go?" That will be $5. Have a nice day. You too. Now it is your turn. In the comments, write your own order in English. For example, I would like a small hot latte and a muffin, please. Or, can I get an iced green tea to go, please? Write your sentence below. I will read your comments. If this lesson helped you, Please like this video and subscribe to Talk Easy English for more simple conversation practice. Thank you for learning with me today. See you in the next lesson.